I harvested our first early potatoes of the season. We still have 5 varieties to go, so hopefully these are delicious. All right, first thing we're gonna do is cut back the foliage. Composting on site. These plants look healthy, so I'm gonna just compost it, just right behind me, right to the side of me. All right, plants are cut back. Let's dump this out. This is a 10-gallon cloth grow bag. Oh, potatoes are falling out. Alright, well, it's not just plopping out like I thought it was. There it goes. Very cool. Potatoes. Ooh, nice ones. Started with 1 pound of seed potato, so it's easy to figure out how much we got out of this. Beautiful. So many. They're not huge, but they're adorable. That might be my seed. They're not. Very cool. So this is the first real time I've grown potatoes with real seed potatoes, and I put an actual effort into it. One time, actually kind of recently, we grew potatoes on our condo patio just with store-bought potatoes that had started to chip already, that started to sprout. Alright, here's the harvest from the first bag, from the first potatoes harvested this season. Planted them November 22nd, and now it is March 8th. It's like, oh geez, I should have done the calculator, 105 days maybe, in that ballpark. These are estimated to be 85 days, but I also grew them over winter, so they're going to move slower. It started as 1 pound of seed potatoes. I'm going to throw them into this burlap and get a weight on it. Not quite 5 pounds, teeny bit disappointing, starting from 1 pound of seed potatoes. But it is fresh food for my family that we grew right here on site. It's going to be delicious, so even if it's not quite a 500%, it's, I mean, 480% is still a pretty good yield, right? Off of 1 pound.